go now to the latest developments in the Karen Reed murder trial. One of the lead investigators in the death of her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, was back on the stand today. The state police sergeant's second day of testimony ended with the jury going home for the weekend. NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live from court in Dedham with the latest. John?
JC, it was a short day, but we did hear some new details as the defense continued to try to undermine the state police investigation.
Trooper Proctor, you were notified.
I am not Trooper Proctor.
Michael Proctor's name came up a lot during the cross-examination of State Police Sergeant Yuriy Bukhenik. The defense claims Proctor and others altered evidence to frame Karen Reed, suggesting in court he even manipulated key items like clothing John O'Keefe was wearing when he died.
And those would have been certainly accessible to and in the possession of the lead case officer in the case, who's Trooper Proctor, right?
Yes, if Trooper Proctor needed to review those items, he would have access to those items.
Bukhenik is Proctor's supervisor, and the jury was again shown video of them at the Canton PD with Reed's SUV. Bukhenik says neither one of them touched the vehicle. The defense has a different take, saying the taillight was manipulated along with the video, which defense attorney Alan Jackson pointed out is inverted.
But the timestamp across the bottom is not inverted, which means somebody had to put that on the inverted, the manipulated, the altered video on purpose.
The defense says Reed damaged her taillight backing out of O'Keefe's driveway, not hitting him with her SUV as the prosecution charges. The defense showed the jury what it says is Reed's SUV hitting O'Keefe's parked car, shaking the tire.
Did you see the jurors' reaction today when they saw that wheel move? That's not a small thing.
The prosecution presented new crime scene pictures, including taillight pieces and a cap belonging to John O'Keefe. It also played an audio statement they say Reed made to police.
We're all in on the same joke, right? My taillight is cracked and John is pulverized.
Now, testimony has ended for the week. The judge has told the jury they can expect to get this case the last week of June. Well, live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
Okay, John, and if you missed any testimony, we have you covered every weeknight on Canton Confidential, the Karen Reed murder trial. Get a full wrap of the day's testimony and expert analysis, plus catch up on anything you may have missed. That's at 7 right here on NBC 10.